Good morning, and I'll get to your weekend weather just now. First, I want to show you the situation right now in Mbombela. This photo was taken a few minutes ago. It definitely looks gloomy in parts of Mpumalanga today. Lots of cloud and also foggy conditions, reducing visibility this morning, and light rain occasional according to the viewer that took the photo. And only a high of 20 degrees expected today in Mbombela, with a cool north-northeasterly breeze blowing and more light rain expected throughout the morning. But your weekend weather will be affected due to a developing cut-off low slowly making its way to South Africa. But for this Friday, foggy patches also seen this morning in parts of the Western Eastern Cape, as well as lots of cloud and foggy conditions over eastern South Africa. Light rain, as mentioned, in parts of the low veld as well as along the eastern escarpment, and also a few drops of light rain this morning along the coast of KwaZulu-Natal. As the day continues, the fog will dissipate, but things remain cloudy and much cooler in the eastern parts of South Africa, but otherwise a warmer Friday for the western interior and mild for the Western Cape as well as along the southern coastline. Your rainfall map for this Friday: 20% chance of a few more drops of rain along the east coast. It will remain rainy over the northern coast of KwaZulu-Natal, and more light rain expected in the low veld as well as along the eastern escarpment. And due to that developing cut-off low, we are expecting unstable conditions over central South Africa since late tonight, and therefore a few thunderstorms are already possible over parts of the Northern Cape as well as the Free State. It's becoming breezy today over parts of the Northern Cape, and an easterly wind also picking up from Cape Agulhas to Cape Point. And then today we do expect a typical warm August northerly wind to blow over the northern parts of South Africa. And due to the warm and windy conditions, we do have a warning for high fire danger. Runaway fires are possible in the same vicinity. It's warm in the northern parts as mentioned, and the wind picking up over northwest with a high of 27 degrees in Mahikeng. A mild day, and wind also picking up later in Gauteng, and you can expect 23 in Johannesburg. But as mentioned, cloudy and cold in the low veld with occasional light rain throughout the day, and only high of 20 in Mbombela. It's also a mostly cloudy and cool to cold day for KwaZulu-Natal. A few more drops of light rain possible in the vicinity of Pietermaritzburg. It's also cool in the Eastern Cape, but a partly cloudy and mild day for the Free State with maximum temperatures in the mid-20s. More light rain possible this morning along the coast of KwaZulu-Natal, with only a high of 20 later in Durban as well as Richards Bay. A cool day for Port Elizabeth, windy with a high of 17 degrees, and along the east coast a southerly swell of only 2 meters. It's a mild day in the Western Cape, lots of sunshine with maximum temperatures in the lower 20s. You can expect a high of 21 in Robertson as well as Oudtshoorn. A mostly sunny day along the southern coastline with a fresh easterly breeze picking up from Cape Agulhas to Cape Point, a high of 20 degrees in Muizenberg and a southwesterly swell of 2 meters. Windy in parts of the Northern Cape, especially over the Karoo. A cool day for Sutherland with only a high of 14 degrees, but warm over the Kalahari with a high of 28 today in Uppington. It's a sunny and mild day for Cape Town with a high of 21 degrees, becoming breezy later. Along the west coast, a southwesterly swell of 2.5 meters, and a partly cloudy and cool day for Alexander Bay. Finally, let's have a look at your weekend weather forecast. And due to that cut-off low moving closer to South Africa, we are expecting thunderstorms since early over parts of the Northern Cape as well as the Free State, and then later showery conditions with a few thunderstorms possible along the west coast as well as into the Western Cape and spreading along the southern coastline. We're also expecting a significant drop in temperature with only a high of 9 degrees Saturday in Sutherland. And then on Sunday, the stormy weather spreading into the Eastern Cape and later KwaZulu-Natal, also much cooler with only a high of 21 in Pietermaritzburg. It's going to be cooler over central South Africa with temperatures remaining below 20 degrees, partly cloudy conditions and mild in Gauteng with a high of 25 on Sunday for Johannesburg. That's all from me. Enjoy the rest of your day.